Welcome to How to Solve a Suko Puzzle. I'll do a few different ones, I think. So the first one I want to show you is where you have a square like this and an L shape. Now, if you haven't seen Suko puzzles before, the idea is to fit the numbers from 1 to 9 in some order in this grid. And each number appears exactly once. So the numbers in the circles represent the total of the 4 numbers around. So this, and this make 19, as does this, and this. So these 4 make 30, and these 4 make 23. The other thing is the colour coding. So this one, and this one, the grey ones make 12, as you can see here. These 3 make 24, as you can see, and these 3 make 9, as you can see here. Now it's worth mentioning that these numbers here will always make 45 because the numbers from 1 to 9 add up to 45. Sometimes that can be useful to remember. Okay, so where to start? Well, normally I'd say look for a square where 3 of them are known as a total. And if you look here, I've got 30 here, and these 3 make 24. So if all 4 make 30 and these 3 make 24, I know that this one has to be whatever makes 24 up to 30, in other words, 6. And at this point I might think, okay, so I've got one of the pinks, but all 3 of the pinks add up to 9, this one, and this one. So these 2, if I've already got 6, must be the other 3. And the only way to make 3 from 2 numbers is 1 and 2. But I don't know which one goes right. I can't say that that's the 1 or the 2. I can say it's either the 1 or the 2. So what I do is I just click on my notes and I say this is the 1 and the 2, and this is the 1 and the 2. So things are going well now. The next thing to notice is if you're lucky enough to get a 30 or a 10, you know which 4 numbers are in the square. The reason is the biggest 4 numbers, 6, 7, 8 and 9, make 30. And the smallest 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, make 10. So if at any point you ever see any of these circles being 30 or 10, you can write those numbers in. So I've already got 6, so I know that this and this must be 7, 8 and 9. So I'm on notes, so let's just say this is 7, 8 and 9. This is 7, 8 and 9. This is 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so this is good. Now we've got 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we haven't got 3, 4, 5, and 3, 4, 5 has to go here. Luckily 3, 4, 5 adds up to 12, which completely confirms our logic. So we know that these are 3, 4, 5, so I'm going to just put those in here, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's look at this circle here, because this is 19, meaning that these 3, which we know are 12, plus this makes 19. So, okay, that's got to be 7 to make 12 plus 7 is 19. And now because this is 7, I know this can't be 7, so I can take out the 7. I know this can't be 7. So this is looking very encouraging. I've got 6 and 7 is 13, so this must be 17, and 8 and 9 is 17. Okay, what have we got now? So now it's a question of seeing what else can we spot. We've used all the clues down the bottom here, the 9, the 24 and the 12. What else can we see? Sometimes you just got to have a little fish around. You play the sort of what if, where you've got 2 possibilities, you say what if. Let's have a look here. So this is 7, and these have to make 16, is it, to make up to 23? So can I make 16? If this was an 8, I would need another 8, which I can't actually do, so that can't be an 8. If that was an 8, these would be 15. I'd need another 8, and you can't make another 8 from here. So that's good. I know that's not an 8. I know that has to be a 9, meaning that must be the 8. So this is very impressive. Now, this is very helpful. So I got 8 and 7 here is 15, and including these, it makes 19. So 8, 15. If that was the 2, that would be 17. I'd need another 2 to make 19. So that can't be the 2. That has to be the 1. Now 8 and 7 is 15, and 1 is 16. So that must be a 3 here. That's good. That means this can't be the 3. and this can't be the 3. We can check, because 7 and 3 is 10. To make 19 we need another 9, and we do have another 9. That's obviously got to be the 2, because the 1 has already gone up here, so this must be the 2. And now, look round this corner, 9 and 2 is 11, and 7 is 18, and I need 23, so I need another 5, meaning the 4 has to go here, and there is our completed puzzle in just over 5 minutes. When I first started these, they used to take me 10 or 15 minutes. Now they take me 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, but I find them really useful, and I hope you really enjoy them.